guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video is all about Dr. Jose Rizal. I give you guys a 10 interesting facts about him. Did you know guys that Dr. Jose Rizal was the 7th of the 11 children in their family? Did you guys know that Rizal invented a brick making machine to help and improve the economy in Dapitan? And he also established a school where he taught local children. Did you guys know that Rizal, at the age of 14, carved an image of the Sacred Heart of Jesus in Batikuling Woods? You know guys, at the age of 3, Rizal taught himself to read and write. And at the age of 8, Rizal wrote his first poem titled Sa Aking Mga Kabata. Did you know guys that Rizal used the pen name Di Malasang in his writings? Did you know guys, Rizal artworks are considered important historical artifacts? Did you know that you can see Rizal artworks in the National Museum of Fine Arts in Manila? Did you guys know that there are 3 species of animal were named after him? A beetle, a flying lizard, and a frog. Did you guys know that Rizal founded an organization called La Liga Filipina aiming for peaceful reforms? Did you know guys that Rizal known as PP to his friend and family?